Hello everyone, this video is about how to get rid of mealybugs. In fact, I made a giant mealybug just for you so that you can easily identify it. And I have a special bonus that's dedicated to every succulent lover out there.
Because this is you and me with every trip to Lowe's or Home Depot. And this trip was actually for a can of paint and a bag of soil too. It's not even to buy succulents. Can you relate? Somehow it always ends up to be a succulent haul all the time. So sit back and relax and watch this video on a day in the life of a succulent fanatic in this tiniest version of a succulent haul. So watch how cute these succulents are in the tiniest plant boxes along with the tiniest garden tools ever in a succulent haul video. What do you think is in this spray bottle? If you think this is cute, please hit that like button. That was so cute, right? So now tip number 1 on how to get rid of mealybugs is to mix about 1 part 91% isopropyl alcohol with about 10 parts water and spray it near the nodes or the base of the leaves. Spraying this alcohol water mixture kills mealybugs and prevents them from coming back if you would spray at least once at the start of summer. Dilute or add more alcohol to your mixture depending on whether it is for prevention or treatment. I also prefer spraying because it also allows for the liquid to get into the tight crevices, which is where mealybugs love to clump together to create their cottony appearance. I actually had to download a photo of mealybugs online because I don't have any in my succulents right now. And this is also why I had to create a clay model of the giant mealybug for you. Tip number 2, if you already have an infestation, inviting ladybugs to the party gets the job done too, because ladybugs are natural predators to mealybugs. In fact, you can even purchase them online. Yes, live ones. And in case you want to know where to purchase them, I have links to everything in the description down below. Tip number 3, if your succulents are in a greenhouse, make sure that air is flowing. So a greenhouse with vents that you can open or one with a front opening and back opening is great. Prevention is the key. The best part about prevention is that you wouldn't have to kill a single insect life at all. And as always, my message for you today is this: always strive to achieve the best expression of yourself without sacrificing moral values and doing what is right. And by the way, in case you want to see how I made the tiny accessories in this cutest succulent haul, please tap on the link here. And let me show you again this cutest succulent haul from a different angle. And always remember, always try to achieve the best expression of yourself without sacrificing moral values and doing what is right. Thank you. This is Sheila again for Succulent Fame.